Hi, I'm Glory St. Germain. It's so nice to meet you. I'm an author, piano and theory teacher, speaker, NLP practitioner, and creator of the Ultimate Music Theory online courses, including the UMT certification course for teachers. Now, as an educator, I know that authentic communication and knowledge is the key to empowering you with the tools you need to succeed. So through videos, online courses, and our Ultimate Music Theory Workbook Series, I've helped thousands of musicians, teachers, and business owners create positive influence and increase awareness of music education. I love what I do, creating videos on mastering music theory to simplify complex concepts and make them easy to understand, sharing innovative teaching techniques to help teachers build rapport with students of all learning styles and abilities, grow their business, and increase revenue with UMT Club classes. Connecting with industry professionals in our exclusive interviews featuring artists, educators, authors, and composers with up-close opportunities for your professional growth. Together, we are enriching lives through music education. Remember to subscribe to get our newest videos released every week. And join our Ultimate Music Theory Facebook group where you can network and learn more. I'm passionate about helping you achieve your goals. Now, if you're ready for a proven step-by-step system in music theory education, check out the Ultimate Music Theory program, including workbooks and online courses. All the URLs are provided in the links below. Be sure to like, comment, and share our Ultimate Music Theory videos. Subscribe now, and I'll see you in the next video.